strategy. Kainit at flashbang. Sabay. Bumalik yung granada sa loob. So, hello guys. What's up? Episode 2 ng ating Resident Evil. Ewan ko kung magiging madali pa ito para sa atin. Feeling ko hindi.
Over here.
Ayun si Merchant. Ang baba ng frames natin.
Got something that might interest you.
Ito na naman tong lugar na to. Dynamite Valley. Welcome guys sa Dynamite Valley. Hirap tumutok. Oh my. Okay, ito na yung time natatakbo ta ko. Putang ina, wala tayong herbs and spices. Gagong puta. May naririnig ako. I do not like that. Putang ina, bobo aim. Let's take this. Kailangan ko ng herb, hindi pera. I hear. I have a strategy. Kainit at flashbang. Sabay. Bumalik yung granada sa loob. Oh shit. Wala na tayong bala. Hindi ko tinakbuhan yung mga yun. Ang tawag doon, tactical retreat. Oh shit! Nakatalasok! Aray ko! Puta, sisipahin ko yun eh. Woohoo! Tingnan mo. Ayan. Wasak. May fish. Gusto ko rin yung fish. Ayun na ka. Pak! Pinabalaw. Ayan. Diba? Have I ever told you I want you to the bone? When you are all alone, I ever forget. Basahin niyo lang kung gusto niyo basahin, ayoko.
Hay un rumor de un extranjero entre nosotros.
Nuestro jefe se quitará de la plaga. Si la plaga es mucho mejor que la peste.
Tienes razón. Es un rumor.
Ah.
You carry the same blood as us, it seems. Nevertheless, you're an outsider. Just remember, if you become unpleasant to our eyes, you'll face severe consequences.
I'll kill you later, man. Fuck you.
What? Same blood.
Leon, I've been able to get some new info that might help you.
Fill me in.
Apparently, there's a religious cult group involved. They're called the Los Illuminados.
Los
Illuminados.
That's a mouthful. Anyway, I had an unexpected run-in with the big cheese of this village.
But you're okay, right?
Yeah, but he could have killed me, but he let me live. And he mentioned something about me carrying the same blood as them. whatever that means.
Carry the same blood. Huh. Interesting.
Anyway, there are more important things than solving riddles right now.
You're right. Hurry and find that church, Leon.
Oh, shit. Pwede wait. Tangina, di ako ready. Napakakunat. Oh. Pwede wait. Meron pa yung tropa nyo, si Doktor, oh. Tumba, gago. I won't waste my precious ammo on you motherfuckers. Puta, satisfying shit. Ay, gago, meron pa. Hello. Meron pa. May babae. Equality. Oh my God! Ganito pa sa pro mode. Uy! Oh! Puta MLG! Triple kill! Hindi yun one shot, 1 kill pare. One shot, 3 kill. Tangay na, pwede na. World record yun, men. Kita nyo yun? Talaga. Oh, yeah. Aray ko! Aray! Puta, tumama yun. Fish. Tangina nyo. Kung gusto kayo, talikod. Aray po, tangina. Bobo. Ang game plan, flashbang sila, tapos shotgunin or sniperin. Aray ko po, putang ina mo, kakahil ko lang eh. $13 FPS. Ako lang nakakapaglaro ng ganon. Aray ko. Okay. Parang pa ata. Wala na? Wala. Ayun pala. Hi. Baba dyan. May rayuma na. Okay, so I think I will end the episode here. Ano? Oh man, I miss that music. Ang ganda ng music na yan, man. So peaceful and no other game can make me feel the same. Okay, save, and that's it for today's episode, mga kaibigan. Hindi ako makapag-daily upload kasi minsan tinatamad ako mag-record. Kaya, ayun. Yan lang. Maminsan man nun. Babush.